I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creaming. This builds structure and chew. With the oven set to 350 degrees F, beat 1 cup butter with 1/2 cup granulated and 1 cup brown sugar until pale and airy, about 2-3 minutes. Once done, add 2 eggs one at a time so the emulsion stays stable, then stir in 2 teaspoons vanilla. This is the first actionable stage. You're creating a matrix that traps air and distributes moisture for even rise and tender crumb. Now you combine science with care. Whisk 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoons salt to distribute leavening. Add the dry mix in 2 additions to the butter mixture and stir gently until no streaks remain. This prevents gluten overdevelopment and keeps cookies tender. Once the dough comes together, fold in 1/5 cups chocolate chips with a few deliberate strokes so chips don't burst. Make sure to chill the dough 20-30 minutes to firm fat and improve spread control. You're at the finish line. Portion with a 1/5 tablespoon scoop and space cookies about 2 inches apart. Bake at 350 degrees F for 8-10 minutes until edges are golden and centers still soft. This timing gives crisp rims and tender middles. Once out, cool on the baking sheet 5 minutes so cookies set, then move to a rack to finish cooling. If cookies spread too much, chill dough longer and reduce butter slightly, or check your oven temperature with a thermometer to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.